Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover and middle frame. Removal: disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the volume power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the volume power button board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the volume power button board from the adhesive on the display panel assembly. Caution: take care not to damage the volume power button board. Place the volume power button board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the volume power button board from the static dissipative bag. Place the volume power button board into position on the display panel assembly. Note: if the volume power button board is not new or does not contain an adhesive backing, PSA or pressure-sensitive adhesive should be added. Insert the volume power button board ribbon cable into the volume power button board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.